Need a powerful vacuum? The Shark UV730 Navigator. Lift-away upright vacuum might be just what you need. Let's begin the review. You can find the latest price in the description below. The Shark UV730 Navigator lift-away upright vacuum has a strong suction to clean carpets and hardwood floors. The lift-away feature lets you detach the pod for easy cleaning under furniture and high-up places like stairs and upholstery. The HEPA filter and anti-allergen complete seal technology trap dust and allergens. This makes it a good choice for people with allergies. Pet hair? No problem. The Pet Multi-Tool and Pet Crevice Tool easily pick up pet hair, leaving your home clean. LED headlights help you see hidden dirt. Swivel steering makes it easy to move around furniture and tight spaces. It's inspected, tested, and backed by a 90-day guarantee. You get great quality at a lower price. Get the Shark UV730 Navigator lift-away today. It's built to clean your home easily and quickly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more offers and the latest discounts.